1, 2, 3. We're racing minivans out here, bro. Bruh. What are you doing? No. 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 You're gonna bust the ass. You're gonna bust your ass before I do. I'm fucking slow shit. What's up, guys? Whoa. Stop, stop, stop. Hold up. Seriously, seriously. Stop. It's my new shirt, babe. Oh, dude. All right, guys, we got snow for the first time this year. 2022 starting out pretty good, huh? Either way, here's the Mazda. Damn, all the snow's gone on the Mazda. It had all the snow everywhere. Look at that. She's so clean, but dirty at the same time. Mazda sitting right here. I was gonna pull the motor out, but I've decided not to. I'm just gonna put the body panels back on it, make it look like an actual car, and then wait till we get the shop in the summer to you know, finish doing on this. And the only reason why I stopped is because whenever we do start on the project, we're gonna be taking the whole front suspension out, whole rear suspension out, so might as well just wait and take it all out at one time. The Dart is in the shop again. Yeah, so January we already got snow. It's gonna be a good year. See you guys in a few. We're gonna go out in the Jeep because for one, they're calling her in for work, which I think is ridiculous. And for two, we just want to have fun. So we're gonna take the most capable vehicle here. Hi, and this is our professional driver.
Put that damn bone up.
Lunch.
Oh shit.
It may be ice.
He did. Somebody don't have their seatbelt on.
I'm gonna jump out for some of us to go sideways. Y'all can drive.
You're capping too.
No, I ain't. If I jump out, y'all will be capping up there in the trees somewhere.
See? It's not even that bad. I wonder how many people is gonna be on the side of the road. Just go down the road and just start counting cars.
Boy, back up. I'm all right.
What the are you good?
I'm good.
Well, it's January 17th, and we already have snow for 2022. So
We're gonna have snow again Friday.
it's this year's already starting out pretty good. Besides the fact that I do not have my car, and my car wasn't running right on New Year's, so sadly.
That way all damn year.
But I wasn't broke on New Year's.
He will be broke when he gets the car fixed.
No, I won't. No, I won't.
Trust me, you will.
No, I won't. The only time I'm gonna be broke is getting the car out of the shop.
That's getting it fixed then.
You got me. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, to be honest. We should be good. I'll see you guys in a few minutes.
Everybody said we weren't going to get this much snow. I said, we probably are going to get more. It's going to be the snow year.
The snow year?
Yep.
Is that what you... I'm glad I was recording when you said that.
Hang on, here we go.
Oh, shit. We're sliding.
This right here will be fun tonight.
What, this hill?
Any of it's gonna be solid ice because it ain't melting fast enough.
Yeah, that year in Jeep Grand Cherokee. I like those. Oh!
Yeah, so?
Hey, look at her. Isn't that a Jeep?
That there's the same color as my Jeep.
Mm-hmm. Got different wheels on it. And different front end.
Should or too. It ain't the same Jeep as this. If you had my wheels and stuff on there, I couldn't be rolling. Okay, if I can find a place to draw a circle, I will. Alright, bye.
I wish. It'd be good content for me. It's been 2 days, I think. A day and a half. Since I left this video off. Right now, me and Colton, we're headed to pick the Dart up. Everything is finally fixed on that car, so we think. Here we go. I'll see you guys when we get there and we get the Dart out. Back in the Dart, baby. Rebellion's back, everybody, as you may or may not already know, depending on what social medias you have me on. But anywho, getting Cheyenne to work. I've just been all over the place with this video, and I'm sorry about that. I can't really help it. I just haven't been on my game. But it's supposed to snow again Friday, which is 2 days from now, so we'll get her out a little bit, just a little bit, not too much. I don't want to fuck her up again, and have just a tad bit of fun in the snow with that. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Update on the Dart, update on the Mazda. Everything is up to date. All you guys are completely up to date to all my knowledge as of right now. We're still trying to find the perfect home for us. Still gonna start looking for a Mad Motor Performance or Helms Video Production headquarters. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.